them find this allocated
Oh yes,
areas?
because what happens is typically if some unscrupulous element misguides you, they let you go ahead and buy a plot, which is not for that land use.
Sure.
So you invested money in that, and suddenly you're stuck. So this is what happens.
So,
So you need the right advice. I mean, that's the basic thing.
Now, okay, we've got only 2 minutes left, towards the end of the show. But what I would like you to do, if you could give our viewers a few tips, and a few hints, like what to be careful of and what to go for when they're thinking about investing in property in India.
Well, I think my first step would be that step out of the comfort zone here and step into India. And it's a far safer place than one thinks. And it's a very highly regulated place. And if you have the right advice, then you cannot go wrong. Legally, you are protected. But the word of caution is that it's better not to make a mistake in India because the courts are very slow. So do the right thing the first time.
Sure.
And then that's it. And that's it.
So it's best. Prevention is better than cure.
Yeah, prevention is better than cure. Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
definitely.
And then the sky is the limit. It's a growing economy. It's growing at a rapid space, especially in the real estate.
Okay, so there's no limit to how much you want to increase your property portfolio or
there's
anything
no limit.
like that.
There is no limit.
So you can have a property in every city if you want to. Yeah.
And think of it as an investment option. Don't think that I'll be staying in that.
Yeah.
Think of it as an investment rather than a fixed deposit or the share market.
Yeah.
You are simply investing in the villages around Delhi. The villagers have become extremely wealthy simply because the land is appreciating.
That's really good. But it's been a great honor, sitting with you today and learning so much from you, because there's been this big, great misconception and this big, bubble of fear, especially in the UK, when it comes to investing or thinking about investing. It's only because the horror stories that people have heard from the past, and that's maybe like 2 generations ago.
Yes, they're actually 2 generations ago. Yes.
So it's really nice to have you with us here today, and we do hope that you can take out some of your very important and tough time just to come back into the studio again and help our viewers again. But thank you so much for coming here.